Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can download Capcut Pro in your laptop. First, go to your Microsoft Store in your laptop. Then search here Capcut. Select Capcut. It's free to install. Click on the install button that will appear here and your downloading will start. The download time depends on your internet speed. After downloading, Capcut Pro will be installed in your laptop. Then go to the start menu and search Capcut. Here you will see our Capcut is installed. Open it. Here, as you can see, Capcut Pro is installed in our laptop. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.